Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So in today's video, I'm going to do my first ever talk-through videos, makeup talk-through videos because yeah, it's so quiet today. Nobody's around. Everybody's at work, so it's just me. I'm alone, so yeah, I have the chance. I'm kind of nervous actually because this is my first ever talk-through video. I don't know what to say, or unlike with doing voiceovers, it's much easier and faster because I could, do it again and again if I say something wrong. So yeah, let's hope for the best and good luck to me. I'll just spin my bangs out of face. So first I'm just be using my Etude House. Yeah, this is the first step. I always use primer to keep everything, from running away. And then we will be using this gel eyeliner from LA Girl as our base. So yeah, I'm just using this brush, an eyeliner brush, to apply this over the lips as our base. Yes, like so. And then I will just blend the edges using my fingers here, just to soften that edges there, like so. I'll do it onto the next eye. I'm going to blend the edges using my ring finger. I'm so sorry if my voice sounds so weird, guys, but yeah, this is just my voice. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, I'm so sorry if I have a very, very weird voice. If you're so used to with me talking voiceovers, but now I'm just enjoying doing this at the moment. So then I will be taking a fluffy brush and I will be using this color here to warm up the lids. I always warm up my lids. Be applying this here into my crease area and blending a little bit black. So yeah, just applying this color into the crease area and blending it slightly above that because I have a hooded eye type or eye shape. I have a hooded eye, so I need to apply my color a little higher onto my crease so that it gives me an illusion of having a more deep lit eyes. So now I will just be using this eyeshadow duo using a flat shader brush and applying this onto our mobile lip. I'm so excited to use this color actually. Oh yeah, and just pack this onto your lids. Don't sweep it, just do patting motion to really pack on that color. Wow, it's gorgeous. This is going to be a very dramatic look, you guys. I always like dramatic looks. Yeah, I don't know why, but I also have looks that are very, very wearable. But sometimes I feel like today I wanted a dramatic look. I want to use this maybe colored eyeshadow, and I just recently bought this one and I'm so excited to try this because this is my first time using this type of color. So yeah, pat it all over the lid like that. Then I will be taking again this color here from Urban Decay, and then I will just blend the edges just to make it look more blended and neater. Just really blend very, very carefully because sometimes it's not that easy blending darker colored eyeshadow. So yeah, my eyes looks a little weird at the moment, but I promise you guys when we finish this video it will look pulled together. So yep, just bear with me from this, just bear with me. So yep, and then I will be taking a black eyeliner, and I will be using this one from Etude House, their Play 101 pencil, and I will be applying this closest to my lash line, like so. Yeah, like so. And do a little wing. Very teeny, just to, you know. And then also use this to line my waterline, upper waterline. Oh my god, this is not feeling so good. I'm still not used to tight lining my upper line. It's just very hideous. So yeah, just darken. What I'm doing right now is just darkening the lash line and giving my eyes a little flick at the end. So I'm gonna do it onto the next eyes. We will not be doing a very dramatic eyeliner since this look is already very dark. But yeah, but if you want to, you can do a dramatic eyeliner. It's up to you. It's just a matter of preference. But today I'm not going to doing eyeliner. Just a very, you know, little flick at the end, just to give a little shape, or I could say that it gives a little shape to my eyes, so that my eyes look a little longer, because I want that illusion of my eyes looking a little longer. Yep. And then I will just be applying this onto my lashes. Just one coat of mascara onto the lashes, because we'll be applying some falsies later. Yep, I'm gonna pop on some falsies because you know how much I love my falsies, guys. It really gives falsies really gives the eyes much more character into it. So yeah, always for me it doesn't complete, the look is not really complete if I don't pop on some lashes. So now I'll just curl my lashes with using my heated eyelash curler. And the lashes that I'm going to wear today is this one. I got this from a Hokkien store. It's from Syria. Yeah, it's so gorgeous. It's so full. So yeah, this is so perfect for our very dramatic dark eyes. So I think I'll just be popping on some little. Yeah. So I think I will just give my. And I will be using Virgin as my highlight. Yep, Virgin, very teeny in there, like so. And then I will just pop on these lashes. So yep, need to trim this first because this is brand new. This is brand new, guys. So yep, I need to trim. I think I'm gonna trim the inner corner because I want this part here where there are a lot of hairs. Yep. So yeah, let's check if it's okay. It's fine. Add some glue. So let's just wait for the glue. So let's just wait for the glue to dry. This type of glue just dries very quickly. Don't need to wait for a very long time. That's what I like about this glue. It's from DUP. Yeah, if you haven't heard about this glue or haven't tried this one, better check this one because it's a pretty amazing glue. There are only 2 brands of eyelash glue that I'm using. It's from Koji and this one from DUP. So yeah, I've already used a lot of tubes on this, so yep, I really like it because it really makes the lashes stays input and it doesn't move. Even if you're already sweating, your eyes are getting watery, and even if it's raining or even if you're washing it, yeah, it doesn't move, guys. So yeah, better check it out. So yeah, I'm applying my eyelashes now. Yeah. Oh no. I know. Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, and talk about the places they've been. Wow, that voice was so low. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. Don't mind me, guys, I'm just being silly. Yeah, sometimes I get silly by myself. Yeah, I know. This is a pretty simple look, actually. Yeah, I think it's very easy, but it's so glamoury. The sun is out and I'm using my ring light now because it's gone. I hate the sun, it's leaving me. Getting mental again. So I'm just letting the glue dry. Yeah, waiting for tonight. You think it's dry now? You think? I know. What do you think? So yeah, I think it's ready to pop this on and ready to it. Oh yeah. So yep. It's time to clean up the face. So I'm just gonna clean my face. So yeah, I will just be applying this eye cream into my under eye to prep it up because to make it a little plumper on this area here because I've been getting a lot of fine lines because I'm getting older. Oh my god, it's truth, but there's nothing we can do. Yep. So I already applied, and then next I will be applying some concealer, and today I'm just be using, of course, my favorite from MAC, the Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC, because this really helps in. I love this concealer because it really doesn't crease here underneath the eyes. And I'm using the shade, and what's that shade? And NW20. I'm using the shade NW20. So yeah, just applying it here before I apply a foundation. So I'm just blending using my fingers here, guys. Patting, patting, patting. Pat, pat, pat. I look stupid right now. This looks way too much. Yo, I think so. This looks too much. I've been doing this technique lately. I've been mixing my face primer. This is brightening face primer and my foundation. This face primer actually controls the oiliness on my face, so I love it. So that's why I'm mixing this too, because this shade here from CoverGirl, this foundation here from CoverGirl is just too dark for me. Yeah, I'm so pale. So the color, I think this is in the color buff beige, and this is the wrong match for me, but I wanted to use this because as you can see, there's still a lot. It hasn't been used actually, so I'm trying to use this up, and so that's why I'm mixing this two together. I will be putting a teeny amount at the back of my hand. Yeah, the same ratio. We'll be using the same 1:1 ratio with the foundation and with the primer, face primer. So yep, after like so, and then I will apply this all over my freaking face and also my neck, so that they will look the same. And then I will just be using my fingers to blend it. I'm not gonna be using a brush today. This is just how I've been doing my foundation or BB cream lately. I'm just using my fingers so that it will be very quick. And then also forget your neck, guys, so that you will not look like you've been bumped into a flower, a silk flower. So yeah, as I can see, the result of mixing those primer and foundation did really give me that perfect match on my skin. So yeah, I've been loving that lately, mixing my face primer, my brightening face primer with the CoverGirl's foundation. I forgot that name. Finally, I found something that would really make that foundation work, because I'm about to cry because I really don't know how to use it, because I don't like the shade. I don't like the product itself. So yeah, it's so flat looking, but now that I mixed it with my primer, yep, it really changed. So yeah, let's just let that set into our face. So I will just be filling my brows first. I will just pat on some powders there because it looks a little greasy, just to make the pencil glides on easy when I apply my brows. So yep. So I will be using today my Shiseido eyebrow pencil in BR602. Yep, why not? Now we'll just comb my brows first, like so, and then draw it like you've never drawn, before. Crazy, like so. I always want my brows to be natural looking. Not very fanatic. Yeah, I'm not a very fanatic of a very raggy brows. like I've always say, it's very simple. And then I'll just brush the front to make it blend, like so. Yeah. So the brow's done. No, not yet. It's not yet done. I will be applying eyebrow mascara. So I will just be applying this eyebrow mascara from Suzanne. It's in colored light brown. I love this one because it makes my brows look like, whoa, look at that. I love this one because it makes my brows looks like it has really a lot of hairs, so it doesn't look like it's really been drawn. Because I have very sparse brows actually. I don't have much hair, so this one really makes the hair look like there's a lot of it. Yeah, and it makes my hair stay put the entire time. So yeah, it's just the brows, and then let's move into the face. Oh no, not yet. So yeah, that's for the brows, and then let's just finish the eyes. And so yo, first I will be taking that brown. So yeah, first I will be taking this brown color here from Urban Decay and applying this here. Yep. If you want it to be very dramatic, you can go a little lower, but me, I'm just going for very not too dramatic, but not too, you know, I just want to be like in the mid-range. Yep. And then, so yeah, just like so. And then I will be taking again the darker blue shadow, and using the same brush, I will be overlapping the brown, like so. Super easy breezy. This just makes my eyes look more bigger and longer, or more elongated. Yep. Just mainly concentrating this color into the outer corner of the eyes, the outer lower lash line. Yep. And then connecting that one into your upper lids, connecting the color into your upper lids so that it will look like one. Yo. So yep, like that. And then we will be applying a black liner onto our waterline. Yeah, my hands are so dirty. So let's apply black liner into our waterline. Yep. Ba-ba-boom. That's pretty. Yep. Like so. And then I will just go back and blend this more. Just blend this more. just be getting the brown again and blend the edges. So yeah, I will just be applying highlights onto the inner corners of the eye using this color, using Sin from the Urban Decay. I will just be using this powder from Innisfree. This is not my favorite powder, but I'm trying to use this because it's just a waste if I'm just going to show it. So yeah, I'm just going to use this to powder my face, just to get rid of the shine a little, but not too much because we still want a very glowing look. Yep, that's it for the powder. Now that our face looks so flat, let's give back little definition onto our face, you know. Bring back that shape. Bring back that shape, man. So yeah, I'm just be using, you know, this eyeshadow duo as my nose contour. Contour it, baby. Yo. This is a pretty easy nose job. It doesn't require any needle at all. So yeah, this is how I contour my nose. Not too much, man. Yep. So yep, that's just this. And then blend it again with a powder brush so that it will not look too harsh. And then I will just be using this bronzing powder from Etude House. Just applying this on directly, not onto this part because I don't want to accentuate more my cheekbones, but rather I'm applying this onto my actual cheeks, at the side of my actual cheeks, like here, and then bringing this a little down here so that it would create more slimmer face, and then also up to the temples, like so. So now, yep, like so. And then to bring back color into our face, or life into our face, I will be using, of course, my all-time favorite blush from e.l.f. I already hit pan on this. See, it's a perfect mauve rose. I think this is mauve rose. I don't know. I forgot the name of this blush because, you know, it's not printed at the back of it. So yeah, this is my favorite blush from e.l.f. And I need to get one because it's dying. It's almost dying. And then I will be just applying this onto the apples of my cheeks to give back life on my face so that it will not be looking all white. Yep, like so. And then for the lips, since I'm not a lipstick type of girl, I will just be using Etude House Sugar Tip Balm because it has a little tint into it and it's so hydrating to lips. And I love this. It's so creamy and it smells so good. And my lips so dry. And then just blend it. Blend it with your fingers. This color is just perfect because our eyes is really very dramatic and dark. It just keeps the balance. It's just keep the balance of the look. So yep. It's a pretty color, right? And it's going on. Wow. So I think I'm done now. Let's do a little So yeah, what's next? Oh yeah, of course, don't forget to highlight. I'm using MAC Soft Ochre for this one. This is my current favorite highlighter because it gives this healthy glowing skin onto the face like crazy. Can you see that? Yeah. I'm applying also here the chin, creep it low, and then to the tip of my nose, and a little here into the top of my brows, like so. And I will be adding a little here too. Yep, pretty. See, it gives a big difference into the face. So yeah. So yep, I guess we're all done here now. I think our look is complete, and yeah, this is so pretty. This is the look that I've came up with today. I hope you like it, guys. So yeah, this is it. So what you think, guys? Let me know. So yeah, this is the look that we have achieved for today, guys. I hope you've liked it. I really end up liking this look, you guys. It's so, my gosh, it's so dramatic, but it's so pretty. If you're that dare enough, you could still wear this on the daytime. Yeah, I dare you. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this look, you guys, because I really enjoy this one. I did not expect that it would came up like this, and I end up really enjoying or loving this look. And if you want to recreate this look on yourself too, please do, and please don't forget to share it to me on all my social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also on my blog post if you want to. Yeah, and you could also hashtag me that on beauty, hashtag beauty and beyond, BeYouTy and beyond. So yeah, so that I could also see your own recreations on this look. It would really mean a lot. It makes me really happy seeing other people doing the same look that I did. So yep, I guess that's it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And remember, makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So until next time, you guys, peace.